On April 10th, the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court issued a major ruling in the Attorney General's case against Meta, and this decision could have consequences far beyond just Massachusetts. I'm attorney Tracy Paulsen, founder of Rightful Legal, and here's why this decision matters so much. What happened on April 10th is that the Massachusetts highest court allowed this case to keep moving forward, even though Meta raised a Section 230 defense. Section 230 is a federal law that social media companies often rely on to argue that they cannot be sued over content created by third parties. For years, that has been one of the most powerful defenses in social media litigation. But this ruling highlights a critical distinction. The Massachusetts Attorney General's case is not framed simply as a lawsuit over user-generated content. It targets Meta's own alleged conduct, including Instagram's design features, its engagement-driven structure, its alleged representations about safety, and its alleged conduct toward young users. And that is why this ruling is so important. The significance of this April 10th decision is that the court did not treat Section 230 as an automatic shield at the pleading stage. That is a major development in the broader social media litigation landscape that is happening now across the country. And that is exactly why the Massachusetts Attorney General's case matters in the overall litigation. This is not just a private lawsuit, this is a state enforcement action. That gives it broader legal and strategic importance. It puts the issues in the context of consumer protection, youth safety, and whether a platform's own product design can become the basis for liability, even when Section 230 is raised as a defense. This also supports the ongoing cases in New Mexico and the 𝐓𝐢𝐭𝐚𝐦𝐩𝐬 case in Los Angeles court. This matters nationally. Because if courts continue recognizing the difference between claims based on third-party content and claims based on the platform's own design choices, business decisions, and safety representations, then lawsuits involving addictive design, compulsive use mechanisms, youth mental health harm, and alleged deception become much harder to dismiss at the beginning. That changes the pressure in these cases and the leverage, and it could change how Section 230 is analyzed in future social media litigation across the country. The real significance of this ruling is that it moves the fight beyond the usual Section 230 immunity argument and back to the core questions. What did Meta design, and what did it know, and what did it tell the public? And what risks did it allegedly create for young users, particularly regarding their mental health? That is why this mass ruling matters far beyond just this one case. If you have questions about this and social media litigation generally, you can reach me directly at 617-821-5856. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like or subscribe to the channel and share with others. Thank you so much.